Hey guys, welcome to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to delete your Temu account. So to do that, first head on to Temu website and then log into your account. Alright, so once you're on your Temu account, all you have to do is here you can see your name, just click here, and over here you can see various options. Just click on account security. Alright, so once you're here, scroll down until you see this option for delete your Temu account. Just click here, and over here you can see the terms and condition. Just click on I want to permanently delete, click continue, and then you'll be presented with this option. Just click on delete, and then here you can verify your identity. So it is asking for email verification before deleting, so I'm just going to use my Google account to verify. Click here. Alright, so my account deletion has been successfully requested, so my Temu account will be deleted in 7 days. So thank you for watching this video, and I will see you on the next one. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.